In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from your Match and Meet dating app. So if you've been receiving these notifications and you no longer need them, the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and put a stop to them. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app info page for us to be able to stop notifications. So for that, go to settings, and from settings, go ahead and look for this option called apps. Look for manage apps or all apps on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, if you tap on this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Scroll down and locate your app. As you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app here and you should be able to locate it. Once you have found it, tap on it, and now you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and then look for your app. And once you have located it, just long press on it, and now you should be able to see app info page. Tap on it, and this will take you to the same app info page as before. From here, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. Currently, you can see all these notifications are on, and that's why you have been receiving pop-up notifications. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off this show notifications, and this will go ahead and turn off all the other types of notifications. From now henceforth, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications unless you go ahead and turn on this. So that's how you can stop pop-up notifications on Match and Meet dating app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.